we will explore key sections for product detail page. First is pencil banner, second is header section, third breadcrumbs, product image and thumbnail, product attributions, other necessary sections, USP section, suggested or related products, and last is footer section. Let's see it live. Today we will explore key section for product detail page. First, pencil banner. Second is header section. Third is breadcrumbs, a navigational ad that shows the user location within the site's hierarchy. Fourth is product image and thumbnail. Fifth is product attributions, includes key details about the product such as features, specification and benefits. Sixth is other necessary sections like customer reviews, product description and technical details. Seventh is USP section. Eighth is suggested or related products. Ninth is footer section. So, join us in our e-commerce masterclass series where building a successful e-commerce site is not just a goal, it's strategy, and make sure to follow us on eCommerce.